Yeah, day 2, February 4th, 2023. Yeah, we had snow squalls and cold temperature warning last night. I was worried we were going to lose power. It got down to minus 38 degrees Celsius. Couldn't see out my window because the screen's on, so when the snow hit it, because of snow squalls um, and the wind. But now it's defrosted a bit. It doesn't look as awful out as I was expecting. Yeah, last night, Obey Me Nightbringer was announced, which was very exciting because they had the live stream, the annual meet and greet live stream with the main cast. So yeah, it's good that it's not shutting down the original game. It's just a little spin-off. But yeah, it looks really cool. And yeah, I'm gonna go get something to eat. Give Minnow her medication. She's on a lot of medication with this palliative care, and so I gotta go do that and get something to eat for myself and take my own medication. So yeah, and you survived the night.